Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today for class 6 students we are going to discuss assignment number 11 on number system. Okay, now let us see the problems. The first problem is the prime factors of 16 are. Okay, now let us see the solution for this. If you take 16 we can write as 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. Okay, if you observe the factors of 16, they are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, so what are they? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. These are the 5 factors of 16. Out of all these 5 factors, what is he asking? Prime factor. The prime factor among these 5 factors is 2. So, the correct option for this particular question is 4th option. Okay. So, the prime factor of 16 out of the 5 factors is only 2. So, 4th option is the right option for this particular question. Now, we will move to the next question. Which of the following are twin primes? What are twin primes? A and B are said to be twin primes. A and B are said to be twin primes if and only if both A and B are primes and their difference A minus B or B minus A, depending on if A is more than B, A minus B will take as 2. Okay, so the difference of them is 2 as well as both A and B are primes. Then only we call A and B as twin primes. I come again, A and B are said to be twin primes if and only if both A and B are prime numbers. At the same time, difference between them is 2. In such a case, we call A and B as twin primes. Now, let us see which of the right options is which of them is the correct option in the given. Now, if you take 2 and 3, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, okay. But difference between 2 and 3 is only 1. So, we cannot call 2 and 3 as twin primes. You take 7 and 9. In 7 and 9, 7 is a prime number, but 9 is not a prime number because 9 has factors as 1, 3 and 9. In addition to 1 and itself, it has additional factor 3. So, 9 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. So, we cannot call 7 and 9 as twin primes. Now, we look at 9 and 11. 9 is not a prime number. So, definitely we can't call 9, 11 as twin primes. You look at 4th option, that is 11 and 13. 11 is a prime number as well as 13. Both are prime numbers and the difference between 11 and 13 is 2. So, 11 and 13 are prime numbers and difference between 11 and 13 is 2. So, among the 4 given options, the 4th option, that is 11, 13, we can call as twin primes. So, the right option is 4th option. Now, we will move to the next question. Which of the following are co-primes? What are co-primes? Two natural numbers are said to be co-primes if at all they have their HCF as 1. A comma B are said to be co-primes if HCF of A comma B is equal to 1. HCF of A comma B is 1. Means here there is no compulsion that A is prime and B is prime. They may be prime numbers or may not be prime numbers. There is no compulsion that A and B must be prime numbers or one of them must be prime number. In any case, if HCF of two numbers A and B is 1, in such a case, we call them as co-primes. Okay? It is not like twin prime. In twin primes, both A and B must be prime numbers, whereas in the case of co-primes, A and B need not be prime numbers. Now, if you look at 21 and 22, 21 and 22, 21 has prime factors as 1 into 21, 3 into 7. If you take 22. 22 has the factors as 1 into 22 and 2 into 11. If you observe the factors for 21 and 22, here the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, 21. If you observe the factors for 22, 1, 2, 11, 22. Only here 1 is the common factor for both 21 and 22. So HCF of 21 and 22 is nothing but 1. So we call 21 comma 22 as co-primes. These two are qualifies to be a co-primes. Now you look at 36 and 18. Here 18 is a factor of 36. As 18 is a factor of 36, HCF of 36 and 18 is 18. HCF of 36 and 18 is 18. So HCF is not 1. So we can't call them as co-primes. Next, if you take 5 and 15, 5 is a factor of 15. So HCF of 5 and 15 is 5. So they are also not co-primes. You take 8 and 16, 8 is a factor of 16. So 8 is the HCF of 8 and 16. So we cannot call even 8 comma 16 as co-primes. So out of the given 4 options, the right option is 21 comma 22. That is first option. We call them as co-primes. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. Twin primes differ by, it's a straight question. Twin primes differ by 2. 2 primes A and B are said to be twin primes if the difference between them is 2. So that is the right answer. Second option is the right answer for fourth question. Now let us see the fifth question. The prime factors of 143 are. So if you look at 143 we can write as 1 into 143, 11 into 13. We can write 143 as product of 1 and 143 as well as 11 and 13. So in this 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 143, because 143 has 11 and 13 as factors which are other than 1 and 143. Factors of 143 are at least 1 more than 1 and itself. So 143 is not a prime number. So only 11 and 13 qualifies to be prime factors of 143. So 11 and 13, that is the first option. So the prime factors of 143 are 11 and 13 only. Now we will move to the next question. Which of the following is a pair of co-primes? Same concept here also. 16 and 16, 62. If you take 16, we have 1 into 16 as well as 4 into 4 as well as 2 into 8. Now if you take 62, we have it as 1 into 62 and also 2 into 31. If you look at the factors, in addition to 1 as factor, even 2 we have a common factor for 16 and 2. So HCF of 16 and 62 is not 1. So we cannot call 16 comma 62 as pair of co-primes. Now we look at 18 and 25. 18 we can write as 1 into 18, that is 2 into 9, that is 3 into 6. So we can write 18 as 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6. Whereas 25 if you take, we can write 25 as 1 into 25 into 5 into 5. If you observe the factors of 18, they are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Whereas for factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. If you observe the common factors, it is only 1. Only 1 is the common factor for 18 and 25. So we can say HCF of 18 comma 25 is 1. So we can call this particular pair as co-prime. Okay, 18 and 25 qualifies to be co-primes. Same way, 21 and 35 if you observe, third option, 21 is 1 into 21, 3 into 7. Whereas 35 we can write as 1 into 35, 5 into 7. If you look at the factors of 21 and 35, in addition to 1, even we have 7 as a common factor. So HCF of 21 and 35 is 7 here. So we cannot call this pair as co-prime pair. Now you take 23 and 92. Okay, 23 we can write as 1 into 23. 92 is 1 into 92. Not only that, if you divide 92 with 4, 4 times of 23 is also 92. So in addition to 1 and 1, we have common factor of 23, or else we can say 23 is a factor of 92. So 23 is the HCF of 23 comma 92. So HCF is not 1. So this pair is also not co-prime pair. So out of all the 4 given options, the second option 18 comma 25 only qualifies to be a pair of co-primes. So second option is the right answer for this question. Okay, that is the end of today's assignment. Have a good day. Thank you.